Today we're talking fast and effective, full body, feel good Metcon workout. Metcon workouts mean we are working on metabolic conditioning. We are going to be giving as much effort as we can during our work sessions, and then we have shorter rest periods. There are no repeat exercises in this workout. We are just going to be flying through new movements, but don't worry, I'm gonna guide you through them all and give you modifications. After this workout, when you come back to do your sessions next week, be sure to go to the Feel Good Fall series and go to day 1 of the playlist so you can repeat those workouts and bring even more intensity and more effort into each session. Now grab your dumbbells and let's get moving. We are on the 5th day of our Feel Good Fall workouts, and we are gonna start this one with a very nice, easy warm up, and then we are getting into the Metcon workout. So first, we're going to be doing just gentle calf raises. So just point yourself up to your tippy toes, lifting your heels up off the floor. You're gonna be squeezing the back of your lower leg. This Metcon style workout is going to be a little bit intense, and it's gonna be a little bit more on the cardio side of things than it is the strength side of things. So we're going to be doing movements with dumbbells, but we're gonna be doing them at a little bit of a faster pace with shorter rest. So our heart rate's gonna be higher. Real quick, we're gonna switch to side lunges. Wide stance here, lean over, lunge as far as you can to one side, switch to the other. Even if you're just right here, that's totally fine. Anyway, back to what I was saying. So this workout's gonna be a little bit spicier, and I don't want you to focus on just using the heaviest weights possible. I want you to focus on using a lighter, more moderate weight that feels comfortable and feels like you can challenge yourself with it still. Okay, we're gonna walk to the edge of our mat, place our hands on the floor, walk them out in front of us for an inchworm, and then walk our toes up to our hands, and we're gonna run it back and repeat that. I always feel this in my wrists and in the back of my legs. Holy moly. Last one. Woo. All right, we're gonna go into our side crunches. So hands behind the head, right knee to right elbow, left knee to left elbow. Exhale as you bring that knee to elbow. Good job. I know these feel a little funny, but it's a great way to get our core working. All right, keep your hands behind your head. We're gonna push our butt back to the wall behind us, stand up and do an alternating crunch with a twist, crunch with a twist. So we're gonna do a good morning, crunch, crunch. Whew, good job. All right, take this time to rest, grab some water, shake it out, find some light dumbbells, maybe anything from 2.5 to even 10, maybe no more than 15 pounds. That's all you're gonna need to feel good. Let's get ready to get into it. We have a couple seconds before we start the workout, but I'm gonna teach you how we're doing the first exercise. We're going to be doing a power movement, but before you freak out, I'm gonna give you a modification. First option is just a hop in place. If that bothers your knees, I want you to take a power squat stance, half squat, and just stand up with power. Let's do it together. We can go into the hop. If you're like me and you want a little bit more intensity and impact, or you can just do the power squat here. Halfway, here we go. Woo, okay. My calves are feeling it. We're gonna grab a set of dumbbells for the next exercise, and you can still rest for a couple seconds, but we're gonna hold them by our side here, and we are going to tap the floor and then stand up with power and bring them to our shoulder. These are our dumbbell power cleans. Down to the floor, stand up quickly with your legs to bring the dumbbells up. Here we go together. Oh, good job. Keep those dumbbells close by because our next movement is gonna have some power in it. So there are two options. Holy cow, I gotta catch my breath. First option is to bring the dumbbells to your shoulder, take a slight dip in the knees and press them up overhead. It's our push press. Second option is just to stand and press them overhead. Here we go. This movement and this workout are fast and effective. So it's perfect to do when you don't have a lot of time and you just have to get your workout in quickly. The rest periods are short, so it's gonna be a challenge, but it's not long. Oh, good job, come on. Good, and rest. Okay, for the next movement, we're only gonna be using one dumbbell and we're going to do a modified lunge. So we're just going to step back here, lean a little forward and row. Come back up, step back, row. And we're gonna repeat this on both sides. I'm using 15 pounds. Anything from 5 to even 15 is perfect. Here we go. Good, we'll rest and we'll switch to the other side. If you really want to challenge yourself with this and you want to lunge deeper, you totally can lunge a little deeper and then do your row. For me personally today, with this pace, I'm doing the step back and row. But next week, if you want to do this again, which you should and you can step a little deeper. Here we go. Good, rest. Okay, the next movement that we're gonna do, hold that one dumbbell here at your chest. We are going to squat, then we're going to curl, press, tricep press, come back here, squat. All right, are you with me? Couple seconds of rest, catch your breath. I'm breathing heavy, we all are. Here we go, squat, curl, press, tricep extension behind the head, down, squat, curl, good job, press, tricep extension. You got it. Let's rock with it. Good job. Good job. We're gonna keep that one dumbbell close by. Our next movement is alternating dumbbell snatches. So that dumbbell's gonna be here, hanging kind of in between your legs. You're gonna squat down and bring it up overhead. You're almost doing a curl and a press, but you really wanna think of driving through your legs. We're gonna alternate on each side. Here we go. As you bring it down, you can switch at the bottom, switch your hand grip, and then do the other side. Woo, 10 seconds. Good job. For the last exercise, we're gonna drop down to the floor. No weights, unless you want to put a weight, but I'm doing no weights. Laying on our back, hands at our side. We're gonna press up to a glute bridge and march in place. So the option you could do is to put a weight, a dumbbell on your hips here, but I'm just going body weight. Okay, here we go. Press up, lift one foot up at a time. Really use that foot that's on the floor to stabilize your body and use your arms. Press your arms into the floor. Whew, good job. We're halfway there and then we're done. Quick, easy, and effective. Well, I don't know if I'd say easy. Quick and effective, a little spicy. Woo, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Slowly roll up. And we're gonna get right into our cool down. From this seated position on the floor, we're gonna go right into our cool down, and we're gonna take our left foot and bring our ankle on top of our right knee. You should feel this on the side of your left booty cheek, and it is such a stretch. I need this stretch literally every day. Really focus on deep inhales through your nose and big exhales through your mouth to help bring your heart rate down. And as you exhale, you're also helping your body push through that sensation that you're getting during that stretch. We're gonna switch to the other side. Right ankle over your left knee and breathe through it. I don't know if you're feeling this at home, but this stretch has me. Good. We're gonna come to a seated position here with a little crisscross applesauce. Take your left hand and reach over towards your right side. I feel this a lot in my left low back, and even just in my left abdomen, core, my obliques here. Such a good stretch. Ooh. I don't know about you, but I even feel this in my inner right thigh just from moving over like this. That shows that I've been sitting at my desk for too dang long. I gotta get stretching like this every day. Good job. I'm so proud of you for finishing this workout with me. Be sure to comment down below to let me know you did day 5 and let me know how you're feeling. I'll see you next week for day 1. Bye.